Greetings and welcome to English 205, English Literature 1. Who am I? I am Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I'm your friendly teacher guide. All right, so the purpose of this video is to give you an orientation to the class, and I'm a big believer in simpler is better, so you're going to see that during this orientation. I've made the class very easy to navigate. If we look over in the left menu, you'll see fewer tabs than you might be used to in an online class, and this is good because too many tabs can be overwhelming. So let's start with our first tab. We're in Home, which for us acts as a kind of bulletin board to our classroom. And what do we have on our bulletin board? We have the fire-breathing dragon, which is appropriate. That's a great symbol of medieval England, which we're going to study. And it's pointing to our class theme, Rules for Monsters, Women, and Writers in Medieval, Renaissance, and Neoclassical English Literature, 5th century to 18th century. That will be our focus. As we scroll down, we see a link to our class Bible, which is modules, week 1 in modules, April 14th to the 19th, 2020, medieval ages 500 to 1500 AD. We'll begin to study in this first week 1, and we have 4 assignments to do. Now, I create this link to modules, which is our class Bible, over here in the left menu, and you can also access modules by this to-do list here. I create it to be very simple. This to-do list can feel overwhelming, and you can tell at a glance what you have due right on the home page on our bulletin board with this link. So let's go ahead and click on it. It takes us into modules, which really is, as I have said, our class Bible. All of our assignments with links to all of our texts, which are all free online, are all in modules. They're all right here. And let's just look down at them. We have them all, and they're accessible to you from week 1 through week 8. Okay, after home and modules, we have our syllabus, and let's click on that. Again, because I'm a believer in simpler is better, I've broken down the syllabus into bite-sized pieces, and you will want to read all of these items in the syllabus as they're important, particular DSPNS and AD rights if you have a learning disability or you learn in a different way, and all about this class. And I'm going to click on that now, number 4, because it contains our reading timeline. Let me move myself right here. And this reading timeline with links to all our readings. This is very important for you to study because remember, we are in an 8-week class. We are taking 16 weeks worth of work and we're compressing it into 8 weeks. So you have to be very certain that you're ready to take on this workload, which will be 6 or more hours a week. If you're not ready for that, I suggest that you drop the class because it can be too burdensome for you. I do accept late assignments, but I will not accept late assignments habitually and only in an emergency situation. So make sure you're familiar with what you've got to do in this class. It'll be fun and it'll be busy, I promise you that. Okay, so I'm going to look back into our left menu here. We have grades, and this is where I list your grades. I comment on your work in our discussion essays directly into the discussions. I'm very, very active in them, as you'll find out. And I give your actual numerical grade here, your points. We have Canvas tutorials. If you're unfamiliar with Canvas, everything you need is right here. And of course, we have the nifty Office 365, which contains all kinds of free online apps. Okay, I'm going to go back into syllabus, and I'm going to click on instructor and course information again. So you see all of my contact information here. Again, I'm Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I'm your friendly teacher guide. And in this COVID-19 era, there are no office hours. However, I'm available through inbox from Monday and Friday. I am on Skype on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 2:30, and here is my number. So you can just reach me that way. And I'll probably also set up Confer-Zoom office hours for you. Don't hesitate to come over here to inbox and email me if something is not clear or you need to chat, okay? I wish you well, during this class. I hope we have a lot of fun. I hope this class acts as relief for us in this COVID-19 era. All right, let's get to it. I'm ready. Are you?